Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. This is Create Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video, we are going to be learning how to create logo vectors like this on PixelLab. So we are going to be creating PixelLab logo with PixelLab today. It's funny, right? So this is what we're going to be covering in this video. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content. So thank you, and let's get started. So first of all, I need to get rid of all the things that I have on my screen here. Then after this, I'm going to turn it off. I already have my sketch. The first thing I need to do when I want to vectorize a logo on PixelLab is I need to pick my grid line. I've said this a couple of times. Okay, in case you have been watching my videos, you know that I've said it over and over again. So when you select your grid line, grid tools, and then you make sure that you align them to the points where necessary. Okay, at this point you make lots of crosses at this point, because these are where you are going to place your BEIZER point. So I'm not going to be doing this now on this video because I've already arranged it already. So after that, you make sure your magnet is checked on, then go and pick your BEIZER. For this particular vectorization, instead of reducing my stroke, I'm going to increase it to around that 12. Okay, like this. Then when I do that, I'm going to pick my transformation. I'm not going to close my loop. Okay, I'm not going to close my loop. Okay, I'm going to leave it open, so I will not have a closed loop. So I'm going to drag it like this and put this one here, and then here I'll start vectorizing. Then follow me up and see how I was able to achieve that. Thank you. Okay, this is the first thing. Then the second one, I need to go and then pick my this again. I'm going to use my rotate. Sorry. I'm going to use my positioning to drag it out there. Then here I'm going to use my transformation again to retransform it to fit into places that I want it to be. So here I'm going to place this one here, and then this one is going to be here, and then so after this, now this is what I got at the end of the day. So I'm going to go here and then check it on. I think we have achieved let's just take this off. Okay, and we have achieved this first vector. Okay, and it's very clean and perfect. So after this, now the next thing I need to do is I'm going to go here and then make sure I lock it. Don't forget. So after this, I'm going to go here and then pick my shape. I'm going to pick circle shape. Okay, I can reduce the opacity, so I will now expand it, okay, to fit into where it's supposed to be. Yeah, so after doing this, now I can go back and then increase my opacity back again, and then I'm going to send it back behind the vector that I created using BEIZER. Then after this, I'm going to go to my color, and then this is the color of PixelLab, right? So this is it, in case you don't know. So probably you're going to just copy this code instead and then use it. Okay, and then after this, I'm going to check okay. Then for this one, we are going to leave it for white. I think is white, right? So here we have it on white. So I think we have achieved the basic aspect of PixelLab logo vectorization. I think the last thing we need to do, if you observe critically on PixelLab logo, there is always a shadow at this part. Okay, it's not too visible, but I want us to actually learn something from this particular one. So here I'm going to go and then make sure I also lock this. Okay, I'm going to go and pick my BEIZER again. And then here I'm going to select and close my loop. I can reduce my stroke as usual. Okay, now I'm going to pick my grid lines again, and then I'm going to strategically place it in such a way that Let's see. Still going to make sense this way. Okay. This way now I'm going to start dragging my point. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to place this here. I'm going to use this grid line, this BEIZER, to create a shadow. This is what I said. That's why I said this video is going to help you get some enlightenment about how to create shadows using BEIZER. Okay, there are a lot you can do, there are a lot you can explore. So when I drag it, just watch and see how I was able to achieve this. Thank you. Okay, after this I'm going to go here and reduce my stroke. Okay, and then for my gradient I'm going to go here, drag it to this point, and then this to this one, because my shadows come from here. Light was supposed to come from here, so my shadow will fade out as it goes through this part. So here I'm going to reduce my visibility for this, and this part is going to be dark, but the opacity is going to reduce. So here we are going to have something like this. Yeah, something like this, and we are going to check. Okay, now here I'm going to drag it behind this. Okay, it looks like, in actual sense, it looks like this our PixelLab icon of P is actually a three-dimensional shape, so it's creating a shadow. I think that's what they are thinking when they are creating it, but I don't know. Okay, here I'm going to go here and reduce my opacity to around this, so that it's going to look more interesting and okay. So I think at the end of the day we have gotten something more reasonable, and this is how we achieve this, and this is how we get PixelLab logo. So you can go now and create PixelLab logo using PixelLab. You see, it's very easy, right? So thank you guys for watching, and then see you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.